Hello, and welcome to the Emendy computer-based training series for New York State Medicaid providers. This video is part of our pharmacy series of tutorials. The purpose of this session is to familiarize providers with the New York State Medicaid Pharmacy Program, NYRx, Pharmacists as Immunizers. In accordance with New York State education law, pharmacists certified to administer immunizations are authorized to administer to patients 18 years of age and older, as recommended by the Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices, ACIP, of the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, the CDC. Vaccines can be obtained by New York State Medicaid members who are 18 years or older. The following list are those vaccines that can be dispensed. To find information about vaccines and pharmacists as immunizers, go to www.emedney.org. Click on the Provider Manuals tab along the top. On the Provider Manuals page, scroll down the alphabetical list to the Pharmacy Provider Manual and select it. In the Pharmacy Provider Manual, to find information about pharmacists as immunizers, you will click on the Medical Supply Codes section. The Medical Supply Codes table of contents will show different categories. By clicking on any of these options in the table of contents, you will be taken right to that section. We will choose section 4.4, Pharmacists as Immunizers. The Pharmacists as Immunizers section contains information about vaccinations, and at the bottom, a link to the New York State Department of Health Pharmacists as Immunizers fact sheet, which contains much more information related to vaccines and vaccinations. We will click on that link. The New York State Department of Health Pharmacists as Immunizers fact sheet website contains information related to vaccines, conditions that may apply in dispensing vaccinations, billing instructions for fee-for-service, and a list of procedure codes available to be billed. Providers are encouraged to review this site for direction on immunizations. Billing information found on the New York State Department of Health Pharmacists as Immunizers fact sheet reminds providers that they will bill the administration fee and, when applicable, the acquisition cost of the vaccine, using the appropriate procedure codes which can be found on the fact sheet website. National Drug Codes, or NDCs, will not be used for billing the vaccine product to Medicaid. When using the NC-PDP D.0 format, a value of 09 will be entered in field 436-E1 to qualify the code submitted in field 407-D7 as a vaccine procedure code. These instructions are available on the New York State Department of Health Pharmacists as Immunizers fact sheet website. The New York State Medicaid Pharmacy Program, NYRx, can be reached at 518-486-3209 or by email at nyrx@health.ny.gov. Please feel free to contact the Emendy call center at 800-343-9000 for questions related to billing or claims. This concludes our New York State Medicaid Pharmacy Program, NYRx, Pharmacists as Immunizers tutorial. Thank you for joining, and please visit us at www.emedney.org for additional training resources.